The Shop Robbery. The fish and the chick went to the shop. "Hello," said the chimp at the shop. "Do you want some cheese?" The fish said yes, because it was cheap. The chick said no. "I want a French sandwich," said the chick. The chimp went to the kitchen to snatch the food. The chimp smashed and chopped and pushed and checked. "I am a kitchen champ," said the happy chimp. But suddenly, boom! A sheep crashed down the chimney. "Why are you here?" screamed the chimp. "You must leave." "Give me your cash, or I will punch you," the bad sheep said. "Help me! Fish and chick, please dispatch the police."
911, what's your emergency?
The police took the sheep to jail. And everyone cheered.